Hi guys, welcome to Get Real Life TV. I thank you all for showing me love on this channel. I thank you for watching my videos. I thank you for liking, for commenting, and I as well appreciate your advice and your support both in cash and in kind. This video is going to be a quick one, so I wouldn't want to waste much of your time. There's a video I want to play. I want you guys to further understand or to further know the beauty of our heritage as Africans, the beauty of our heritage as Yorubas. So there's a video, and the reason for this video is just to open our eyes to how we can even key into the Western uh, education with our language, with our own values, So some people are talking about the Western standard or the white stand, the British standard or thereabout. But this video is a kind of something that will open our eyes to how we can comfortably key into the system of what is called a world standard. And it's actually a mathematics class, how to use our own Yoruba language to teach mathematics. As you can see, is a beauty of our language, because our language can as well be used to key into the Western world standard, So that's just what I want to play to you guys for you to just see and see how our language can fit in, into the curriculum of the Western world. So that's what I want to show to you. I just saw the video on TikTok, so I decided to just share with you guys to see how our language, how our Yoruba language can be used to design our own curriculum in Yoruba land. So nothing is impossible. Okay, so let's just watch. Then I will come back to just shipping my own little opinion, and as well you can as well ship in your own opinion in the by making use of the comment section. So let's just watch the video together first.
Ìyànjú ìṣirò òbìrìkìtì kínní. Ìrísí yìí ni à ń pè ní òbìrìkìtì. Kí ni mo pè é? Òbìrìkìtì. Ìlà tó yípo òbìrìkìtì yìí òun ni à ń pè ní àyípo, èyí tí yí ńlá dúró fún. Àárín gbùngbùn òbìrìkìtì yìí òun là ń pè ní oríkò. Òun nìyí, oríkò. Ìlà tó wá láti oríkò yìí tó lọ sára àyípo òun là ń pè ní ọwọ́jà. Kí ni mo pè é? Ọwọ́jà, èyí tí wí kékeré dúró fún. Òbìrìkìtì nìyí o lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí. Ìbéèrè: ṣírò àyípo òbìrìkìtì kan tí ọwọ́jà rẹ̀ jẹ́ 14 sẹ̀ntímítà pẹ̀lú lílo páì dọ́gba sí 2/7. Ìyànjú: àgbékalẹ̀ tó wà fún àyípo náà ni àyípo dọ́gba sí 2 lọ́nà páì lọ́nà ọwọ́jà. Ìyẹn ni yí dọ́gba sí 2 páì wí. Tí a bá fi 2/7 rọ́pò páì, tí a sì fi 14 rọ́pò wí, nǹkan tá a máa rí ni yí dọ́gba sí 2 lọ́nà 2/7 lọ́nà 14. 7 gé 14, ó lọ nínú 14 nígbà méjì, ó dọ́gba sí 2 lọ́nà 2/7 lọ́nà 2, ó dọ́gba sí 108 sẹ̀ntímítà. nítorí náà àyípo òbìrìkìtì náà jẹ́ 24 sẹ̀ńtímítà. Ẹ ṣé púpọ̀.
So guys, as you have seen it for yourself, you can see that our language can be used to have a Western world standard curriculum. So this video has just spoken, and it has opened our eyes further to see that to know that we can as well key into the Western world standards with our language, with our culture, and traditions, and even our religion. Because some of you are still arguing that we don't have religion, and as far as I'm concerned, we have a religion. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe free of charge, so that you don't miss anything on this channel. Until we see again, get a better life. Bye for now. Love you all.